What's going on everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S account. So if you have purchased a Xbox Series X console or if you are planning to buy one, then you must need a Xbox account to log in or sign into your Xbox Series console. And it's gonna be easier for you cause you don't need to create a Xbox account on your console. And when you get your console, you can easily sign into your Xbox Series account using your password and email. So first you have to create a Xbox account for that. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Xbox account so that you can easily sign in or log into your Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S console. And that also will be called Xbox Series S or X account. So to create a Xbox account, first go over to official website of Xbox, xbox.com, and then click on this profile icon. And here you can see Xbox Live. As you have to create a Xbox account, click on create one. And first you're gonna put your email. So let me put my email real quick. So after putting your email, you're gonna click on next. And then you're gonna create a strong password. So let me create a password real quick. After creating a password, click on next. And then you're gonna put your first name and last name. So let me put my first name and last name. So after putting your name, click on next. And here you're gonna select your country and you're gonna select your date of birth as well. So let me select my date of birth real quick. After selecting your country and date of birth, click on next. And now you're gonna verify your email, and also they will send a verification code to your email. So let me enter that code real quick. Okay, Microsoft gonna send you a 4-digit verification code to your email, and you're gonna paste that code in this box, and then you're gonna click on next. And here you're gonna wait for some seconds, and then you have to verify this I am not a robot captcha. So let me do this real quick, and then select on these checkboxes and click on I accept. And now again click on your profile icon, and here click on your Xbox profile. And here it is. This is how you can create a Xbox account, and you can easily sign into your Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X console using your email and password. And that's very simple. So first create a Xbox account on your smartphone, on your laptop or computer, and then you can easily sign in or log into your Xbox Series consoles, and that will be your Xbox Series X or Xbox Series X account. So if this video helps you out, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you like this video. And also thanks for watching.